Thằng tròn đi, thằng kia.
Closely related to the hippopotamus. Looks like lace. Yeah.
So if they wanted to, they could go from there and they could glide all the way over down here on the ground. But they choose not to because they actually like to live there. Like, do you have some sector back over there? The park to go to
That one's better.
Oh, its eyes, Carol, its eyes shivering.
Trying to pretend it's tasted. What's up?
Haley?
Yes, yes, it's red
Let's go. He did a little jig.
Do you want to photograph that?
Right here on my side. These are greater kudu. They're an antelope, and it looks like these are all ladies. Only the males have horns. They'll actually get up to 750 pounds. Over here at the watering hole, if we get real lucky, we might get an eye on a black rhino. Black rhinos have a 1-inch thick hide. They can run 30, yeah, there's some back up there. They can run 30 miles an hour, and they're built like a bulldozer. But unfortunately, the nasty old poachers have reduced their numbers to about 4,000 in all of Africa. And these silly-looking guys right next to us are yellow-billed storks. They will eat just about anything: fish, frogs, snakes, and even other small birds. Back up there is a big white bird. That's a saddle-beaked stork.
Okay, mate. I'll pick it up later.
5 feet tall, and they have a wingspan of 9 feet. I think I just heard Wilson. Symbol 1 to Wilson Matua. Are you the eye in the sky today, Wilson? Are you on patrol? Over.
Yes, Simbawan. And today I have a passenger. This Johnson, my favorite wildlife researcher.
I'm Jumbo, everyone.
I'm Jumbo. Hey, Wilson, if you see anything unusual or have any tips, please feel free to shout it out.
Roger, Simbawan. Will do. Over.
Thanks. Hey, look right down here on the right.
Oh yeah, the water now.
Nile hippo. Hippos stay submerged pretty much all day in the Sami River
Can
here.
they breathe underwater?
They get real susceptible to sunburn. They have sensitive skin, so they stay underwater most of the day. They come out of the river at night and eat up to 150 pounds of vegetation. Oh, look over here, we got a bunch of them. Now, hippos actually look like they're swimming, but they don't swim. They walk right on the bottom of the river. These big white birds over here, these are pink-backed pelicans. They nest in trees and they live in groups called colonies. They will actually gang together, do a little teamwork action, and they'll herd the little fish into the shallow water where they can catch them and eat them.
These are really
Eagle.
Oh, look over here. Nile Crocks. You see those guys laying there with their mouth open? That means they're hot. They open their mouths to regulate their body temperature even though they are cold-blooded. They can snap their jaws together up to 1,200 pounds of force. They get up to 20 feet long. It's an ancient baobab tree. They say this tree is 1,000 years old. They can live to be 2,000. They look like that 9 months out of the year. Only for 3 months during the rainy season they have leaves. They use the leaves to collect water and store it in their trunk, and in the rainy season they drop their leaves. This is probably the best view in the whole reserve. It's the savannah. The migratory guys like the wildebeest and zebras, they move through here. But antelope, lions, and elephant live here year-round. They're part of the natural animals of Africa that we're trying so hard to protect and preserve.
Simbawan, I see you down there. You are in bush country. Drive carefully. I don't want you bumping into my animals.
You should begin to see a wide variety of grass-eating animals around you, such as Thompson's gazelle.
Miss Johnson, nobody in Africa calls them Thompson's gazelle. They are Tomies. Tomies! Over.
Hey, Roger Wilson, thanks for the info. And I promise I'll be careful. I won't bump into any animals. All right, guys, just over here on the right, this is the savannah. If you notice the way it looks kind of, well manicured. The elephants knock the trees over to eat the bark, and that lets sunlight in from the grass. The giraffes prune the trees, keep them trimmed back, and that lets the sunlight in, the grass to grow. And then the grazing animals, the wildebeest, gazelles, antelope, they mow the grass. So by them all working together, it maintains the look,
Well, they too might be.
and everybody's got enough to eat. It all balances out naturally. These big tall cones here, these are termite mounds. They're made out of termite saliva and sand. They'll actually, in the sun, it's as hard as concrete. All the elephants like to scratch on them. This one over here has been scratched on for years, and now it's all rounded. And the little gazelles will actually get up on top of it. Keep an eye out for the big cats, so they don't come near it. Oh, look over there on the hill. Oh, there's two of them. Those are reticulated giraffes. They call them that. It comes from the Latin word reticulata, which means net-like. I guess that describes the pattern on their coat. Fully grown, they can get up to 20 feet tall and weigh 2,500 pounds. Look at that, isn't that amazing? I told you I was going to show you some stuff that was amazing. Look at that. He likes watching you as much as you like watching him, I think. Over here on the right, these are white-bearded wildebeest. They're part of the largest migration in Africa. When they move across Africa, they move, there could be 1.5 million of them moving together as one. Here's a little Tommy, or Thompson's gazelle. Fully grown, they'll only weigh 60 pounds. Those guys laying on the hill up there, those are impalas. Only the males have horns, and when they're being chased, they can run and jump 30 feet, which is the length of my truck. I don't know if you can see, but laying down in those trees over there, those are Ankole cattle. A couple of Tommies right here. Those are Ankole cattle. You can see their horns. They're called also Watusi cattle because the Watusi tribe domesticated them from wild. Those horns can get 6 feet,
Big in the trees.
20 inches at the base.
Big horns.
Cross your fingers. Easy cross here. All right. I hate when that happens. The red plate pit. See customers and the footprints. No bigger than the red over. Look over here, guys. There's a baby.
I compete, Baba. Hold on.
Back in the air. Let's see if I can get something on the radio. Wildebeest.
Yeah, this one kind of.
One of those thorn bushes I was talking about, right here on my side. Be careful, keep your hands over here on my side, these are greater flamingos. The lightest pink of all the flamingos. They actually get their color from what they eat. Shrimp and crustaceans. And if you look real careful, the little gray fuzzy chicks, those are the newest members of the Harambe Reserve. A couple of them just hatched out this week.
Yeah.
around the suspicious gypsy bingo puppies. Keep a lookout for it.
Roger, we'll keep our eyes open.
The eggs.
Hey, look, there's an ostrich nest. Back there, there's some Grant zebras. Those guys are actually black with white stripes. And zebra stripes are like our fingerprints. No two are the same. Those ostriches are the biggest bird in the world. They can't fly, but they can run 30 miles an hour. Guys, over here, this is my favorite critter. White rhino. They call them white. That comes from the African word bite, which means wide. That's describing how their mouth and nose is. Now the poachers have devastated the white rhinos because they can't see very good. Very short field of vision. And that makes it pretty easy for those nasty old poachers to sneak up on it. The lion is up there. Female lions do most of the hunting.
That way.
They hunt at night. They'll actually lay around and sleep.
Calling Model Mutua, over.
Mutua here.
There are ivory poachers in the reserve. They shot Big Red. She is wounded.
What about Little Red?
No word yet.
When was it last seen?
Magadi Gorge.
Okay, you head there.
Roger.
Ostrich.
There.
Hello. Okay, hang on. We're going to catch poachers. Uh-oh. Number 1 to Wilson. I'm at the crossroads. The gates are smashed over.
Keep going, Zimmerman. We are landing now.
Roger. All right, guys, hold on. We're off to reserve now. Hang on tight. It's going to get rough.
Zimmerman, we spotted the poacher. Ladies, force them toward us.
Roger Wilson, I'll head that way as fast as I can. Hey, here's the poacher's camp. They left their ivory. We must have them on the run. They gotta be up ahead.
Cloud trap.
The Lord attack Big Red. She'll be fine.
Hey, look, guys, in the back of the truck. Little Red, safe and sound.
See you, Zimmerman. I have to deliver the baby elephant back to his mama. Asante sana.
Goodbye, Simple One, and thank you.
Roger, guys, you're welcome.
That waterfall.
Asante sana, thank you to you folks. Couldn't have done it without you. I told you, when you're on safari and having fun like that, time flies. It's already been 2 weeks. We're almost back to the warden post. From the warden post, it's just a short walk to the Pangani Trail to see the gorillas, or hike into Harambe Village. I don't like to say goodbye, so I'm going to say Swahili, Kwaherini. Go well. And Hakuna Matata, no worries. Thanks for riding with Kilimanjaro Safaris. Check anything you put in your net bags. Make sure you don't leave anything on board.
Please, it's the bottom. It's a bottom. Okay.
Hello. Fingers. Massive.
They're the big ones.
They're the big cockroaches. Jesus, they're massive. Must be about 3 inches long, at least. Let's have a look at the Cameroon red baboon spider.
Underneath.
He's in there. I can't focus on him because the wire.
With his teeth.
There's the spider. You can see him.
There. Over there.
What a pancake tortoise.
He's moving. He's moving.
What are they? Carol?
Naked mole rat.
They're not mathematical geniuses. They don't like pizza. Or nachos. Not big. And all your rodents have big teeth, and that's just what they
Emperor scorpion. What an ugly little beast.
Modern, really. Good. Yeah, scarab thing next to it.
Yeah, on night shot because they're so dark. And a baboon spider. God, that's ugly. A wild animal. We're looking at the very rare wildebeest.
Where?
You're going to lose that frog that's going to go flying in the water. Blackfish is called a lungfish.
A lumpfish?
Yep.
I wonder.
But they wait for the babies to be born.
One big hippo. It's big. It does look cool. The fish are boring compared to the hippo. That's the second hippo. Not much to see of in mine, but nah, there's one that.
Is that it with little tabs sticking above the water?
Yeah. But the big one's to the right.
Grass and on the rocks. Meerkats do live underground in burrows, so if you can't see them up above ground, keep an eye out to all the different predators as well as the surrounding landscape, because their typical predators are birds of flight or birds of prey or other carnivorous land mammals, and as well as snakes and other things that can get down inside their burrow. If you would happen to see something, they give out a quick little chirp or squawk. They do have a wide range of audible calls to alert the others of the danger. They'd all run underground and hide, and then if whatever the threat was trying to get into their burrow, the adults would ban.
She's posing, yeah.
He just looks angry. Tell him his attitude.
To protect them. If you have any questions about the monkeys, my name is Delia, and thank you for coming to Mickey's Planet Watch.
You want to see the monkey?
Solution though. The solution is I've been this stove, which is cleaning the orange tail. My birds.
What Summer said.
I've been this stove, which is 65 logs of firewood. You know, the name is Delia, and Planet Watch. That's a good question. I'm new here, so I'm new here.
Down there.
Namaste, Crocks. Welcome to this is a bad house. Namaste, Crocks. This is a community hall in the village of Antelope. Out in the bed area, we have 2 megabats. The Malay
Look at that.
They have a large area to roam. You might see another one in the next viewing area. This is the only one that I